So Jesus isn't going to teach you how to make money online. College system is not going to teach you how to make money online. Your job, your boss certainly are not going to teach you how to make money online. Now, in just the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can start your very own internet business and how thousands of other people all over the world are making money online. I'm going to bring you right here on my computer right now and show you exactly how it's done. So I'm going to show you how this is all done without having any products, without having any sort of social media following, without having any investment, or even, even if you have a full-time job, you can do this, and how you can do this without any employees. Now, if you're working a job, okay, if you are a stay-at-home mom and you're looking to spend more time with your kids, if you're working a job and you're tired of feeling like you're a number, feeling like there's a glass ceiling, there are doors that just aren't opening for you to get those promotions or raises you need, or if you're retired and you're looking for a non-technical way that you can earn real money using the internet, I'm going to show you right here how you can do this. Now, there is a free training, which is, I'm going to be training some people this week. It's over an hour long. There's a link. If you're on a desktop, you can go in the top right of the screen. If you're on a mobile device, it's up there. Desktop, it should be in the lower left to register for the free training. But I'm going to cut right now to show you on my computer exactly how this is done. Hey, so here we are on my computer, and as you see, I'm on Amazon.com. So notice if I scroll to the bottom here, you'll see there's some links in the footer. It says make money with us, and you'll see there's a little link right here that says become an affiliate, okay? So if we click that link, Amazon will pay us money, up to 10% of each product sale. We don't even have to own or buy anything. We can just recommend people to buy products on Amazon, which people are already doing every day, and earn up to 10% of what anybody earns and spends. And see, it says join now for free. And let me show you another example of this business model. So here I am on Target.com. Okay. Big store. Now, if I scroll all the way to the bottom here, we see the links in the footer. If I click more, we scroll down here, and it says there's a link that says affiliates. Now, this means that you can create links and recommend people to buy products on Target and make money just for recommending some products that people can buy. You can make up to 8% of commission on any product you recommend from Target. Okay, here, let me show you another example of this business model. So here I am on eBay.com, another one of the biggest online retailers in the world. And if we scroll down to the bottom here, what you'll see is, you see right here, it says affiliates right there. And again, if we click that link, it'll bring us to, they call it the partner program, and you can sign up for free and you can make money recommending products on eBay. It's that easy. It's pretty cool, right? So in this free training, you'll want to register for the free training. Once again, if you're on a desktop device, the link is in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. If you're on a mobile device, the link is in the upper right. Make sure to register for the free training at a time, at whatever the earliest time is that suits you. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can implement this insane and unique new business model so that you can start earning real commissions online. Okay, so make sure you click the link. This is only going to be available for a limited amount of time because I only have a limited amount of time, and I'm only looking to pass this down to a few people. So make sure you get this done. Make sure you register for this training. I'm going to be showing a select few people. The limit on this training is 500 people that can be on at one time, and you'll be seeing exactly how to do this step by step by step.